6 here. Right now we have a little package in there, so we get to check out to see how it's looking. So we do have a few projects coming up to start just now, and I will decide to open up this page on, so this one will be strictly the bikes and stuff will be on this one. So we get into it here. Tighten up real tight inside here. Don't want to come out. They really pack that tight inside that thing. Alright, so this is a 3-pin extension there. As you can see, this extension will be for the motor. I want to make my motor cable a little longer on it. And normally this will just connect onto this one there. Inside there, it has to line up with the arrows though. So let me make sure arrows, line up with arrows. Let me see if I can see the arrows, because everything kind of black. Right, so yeah, some arrow lines there. These are the arrow lines on this one here. If you could see it there too. See, so they line them up together and slip it in. See how we getting it in. Right, so it's kind of a little shaky there for a bit, and that's how that fitting in there, and you just tighten down and lock it. So the motor cable was a little too short, so you need to push this end in, and then this end will go via extension to go up to the controller and help you make a nice connection there for the extra length. Yeah, so that's basically I think that I say is a 9-pin, I think, because it has some other pins inside. They kind of hide about there. You might see the holes here if it zoom. If you watch there, you'll see some small holes. Will it focus? Right, you see them small holes there? Actually have connections down inside. It would be lining up in. It doesn't see it. But like for different, maybe for temperature and different stuff, maybe it could be hiding in the other pins and them there. So you can see on the package and all here out of it. 9-pin. So all you're seeing the 3 big pins, the phase wire for the motor. It does have other pins hide away inside here for different things for the motor. Yeah, we can go carry our cable for too long. 6 out.